कि मुझे अभी एक रेस्टोरेंट खोलना है, पर मुझे ये आइडिया नहीं कि रेस्टोरेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होगा, थीम क्या होगा. एंड आई वांट टू गेट एडवाइस फ्रॉम यू ऑन हाउ टू स्टार्ट. When you were coming up with the idea for Dhamaka, you've mentioned पुराने interviews में कि it was tough for a while. You were struggling to come up with the idea. And then one day you were at home and your wife was also home. It was a rare day. And उन्होंने आपके लिए lunch बनाया. और lunch में उन्होंने आपके लिए आलू और टिंडे की सब्जी बनाई. और जब आप वो सब्जी खा रहे थे, you had this moment of, these are the type of dishes that you cannot find in Indian restaurants. And that's when the seed for Dhamaka was planted. And then everything else flew from there. That worked for you. But for the rest of us, क्योंकि ना मेरी शादी हुई है और टिंडे की सब्जी से मुझे कभी कोई इंस्पिरेशन नहीं मिली है. How do I go about trying to come up with the idea or the concept of a restaurant? How do I start? What are the ways to refine that?
See, I think Dhamaka is a very more than a restaurant. It was a thought process. You see, like before Dhamaka, we had success at Adda. So everybody who knew कि हम लोग restaurant खोल रहे हैं, ये सब बोल रहे थे कि अच्छा आप और एक अड्डा खोल रहे हो. अभी क्या होता है? What is a normal thought process? कुछ चीज़ चल गई है, अब आप इसको replicate करते रहिए.
Scale it.
But I remember that when we were talking about opening this, उस टाइम तो उसका नाम भी नहीं हुआ था. Like नाम तो बहुत late decide किया गया. We were deciding on it and I told Ronnie one thing. I said, you know what, Ronnie, like I think what we need to do is that we had 2 restaurants that time. And I said, we cannot have a single dish from either of the restaurants on this menu.
Achha.
And it needs to have a menu which no other Indian restaurant wants to do. And that was the first thought. And he's like, what do you mean by it? And I said, I genuinely don't have an answer for this. But I said, I just want to do something which is not in anybody. Oh, you know, there's a word called Zehen. Zehen means हमारे यूनिवर्स में जो कोई सोच ही नहीं सक रहा है वो करना है. And it sounded very crazy. And I think thankfully he understood, like he's as stupid as I am. So he understood that. We were like, let's try to do that. And that's where the entire thing came about. So आपको question पूछना पड़ेगा अपने आप को जब आप कुछ कर रहे हो कि what are you trying to do? क्या करना है आपको? That's the question. You know, ये साइमन सेनेक जो है वो हमेशा बोलते हैं why. That's the question you have to ask. Why are you doing it? क्यों कर रहे हो? Like अगर आप बोलोगे you know, मेरे को बटर चिकन बेचना है तो मैं आपको बोलूँगा अच्छी बात है. But why you want to do it? The answer to that why could be anything. Like for example, if you ask me, I would say, you know why? Because I don't find a good butter chicken in the city. And I want to make the best butter chicken in the city. You know, so that is the question I always say to people. Anything that you are doing new, that is the question you'll have to ask.
Motive explore kar sakte hain. What are the most common motivations you've seen? Do you think a lot of people get into this to make money, to run as a business? Some people might be doing it just for the passion of serving food or cooking food for people, or like to represent a culture. What have you noticed? What are the most common motivations?
I think it's a very glamorous industry. It's a, you know, जैसे अगर आपके पास रेस्टोरेंट होगा ना तो इस कम्युनिटी में सब बोलेंगे अरे यार इसके तो रेस्टोरेंट है यार. Status. Like there'll be people who have companies worth 250 million, 300 million dollar, कोई जानता नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
पर आपने रेस्टोरेंट खोल लिया तो आपका कम्युनिटी में नाम हो जाता है कि भाई इसका एक रेस्टोरेंट है. So I think a lot of time I've found people with that being a motivation to do it. And people think it's very easy. तो मुझे ये लगता है, मेरे हिसाब से नहीं है, but a lot of people think that it's very easy and everything. So I've never found anybody, and I genuinely like, I've never found somebody with that right kind of approach to it. You understand? Like even today in our company, the maximum money we spend is actually on ingredients, the things that we buy, the things that we source, because my product that I make at the end of the day, jo khana hai, which is the main product, will always be as good as the ingredient that I use. You know, आप कभी किसी के रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे, you know, बोलेगा अरे ये देखो मैंने शैंडेलियर लगाया $5,000 का ही,
हाँ.
और मैं दिमाग में सोच रहा हूँ भाई मैं खाना खाने हूँ, मैं थोड़ी ना शैंडेलियर देखने आऊँगा यार. Will you go to a restaurant back just because they were expensive chandelier? नहीं, right? But you'll go back to a restaurant because उधर का खाना अच्छा है, कुछ आप में excitement हुआ है. You know, and I think that's what I've never seen for the longest time with Indian restaurants right now. So
You're saying if the motivation is in the right place, then you will naturally prioritize these things that should be prioritized, which is like the
110%,
ingredients.
110%, 110%. See, what are we into? What field am I doing? What is a restaurant? What is the core product of restaurant? Two things: food, service, which combined together will give you experience. I'm not into business of interior design. It happens to be a byproduct of it. Okay, it should be a good-looking restaurant and everything, but that is not, like, ask yourself, would you go to a good-looking restaurant serving bad food? The answer is no. It's as simple as that. So that the motivation has to be right. Like the focus has to be right. I always say that clarity and focus are two things which if you have right, your life is sorted out.